He's a candidate for the degree of Associates in Applied Science and Visual Communications.
Hello everybody, my name is Glenn Bransman, just like Butch said. Today I want to say a lot of words in a short amount of time, and hopefully they come out as complete sentences that make a lot of sense. So first thing, I have 21 years of experience and being a human being and living. And in those 21 years, I've learned a lot of things, like math and English and any science. But in the last 2 years, I learned more here than I have anywhere else. And I don't just mean from a program to study. I don't just mean from a program to study. I mean life lessons, ideas, philosophies. For instance, I've developed a philosophy called my pillars of success, which are determination, hard work, and a positive attitude. Because if you are determined enough and you work hard enough, you can accomplish any goal. And having a positive attitude just makes you happier and the world around you a happier place. Another thing we learn is life is hard. Life is really hard. And sometimes it just feels like it puts the weight of the world on your shoulders, just like Atlas. But with the help of your family and friends, if you stay positive and have a good diet and exercise, the weight of the world isn't that heavy. Another thing I learned is embrace your weaknesses and your limitations. If you have something that stops you from doing something you love, embrace that weakness. For instance, I have ADHD, which sometimes completely debilitates me. I'll be sitting at the computer for an hour and just realize that an hour's passed and I haven't done a single thing because I have such terrible attention. But after embracing it, I noticed that I can control my ADHD. I can spend hours on the homework path. My brainstorming abilities have gone through the roof, and so has my creativity. I'm happier than I've ever been, and I'm more excited than I've ever been. And another thing I learned just now is that seeing your family and friends smile at you, and I know that they're proud of me, is the greatest blessing in life. And another thing I'd like to say is I'd like to thank everybody that came here and helped me through the last 2 years of school and has been there for me, especially helped out with my antics in class and tolerated them, like John Thompson. He's had a hard time with that. And speaking of John Enrique Thompson, he has been an inspiration in my life since I met him. For the first quarter, he gave us a really hard soapbox speech that really inspired me to be the man I am today, and to work as hard as I can